Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Evade on Roblox Mobile. To begin, understand that your main objective is survival. You'll navigate various maps, using the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen to move around. On the right, you'll find buttons for actions like jumping. The key is to constantly be aware of your surroundings and the approaching next bots. Staying out of their line of sight, even for a few seconds, can make all the difference in your survival time. Mastering your movement is crucial for success in Evade. The virtual joystick allows for fluid navigation. Practice making sharp turns to juke your pursuers. The sprint button, typically located on the right, provides a temporary speed boost. Use it strategically to create distance or reach cover quickly, but remember it has a short cooldown. Also, effectively jumping over obstacles, like small walls or crates, can give you a significant advantage, often buying you precious seconds to escape. Beyond simply surviving, many Evade maps feature objectives that, when completed, lead to victory for the entire server. These might include activating a certain number of generators or collecting specific items. Teamwork is often vital. Consider distracting a next bot to allow a teammate to complete an objective or revive another player. Always pay close attention to the game's audio cues, as the distinct sounds of a next bot can alert you to its proximity, giving you a few moments to react and plan your escape route. For advanced play, thoroughly learning each map's layout is paramount. Knowing where the best hiding spots are, or which routes offer the quickest escape, can drastically increase your survival rate. Try to avoid predictable movement patterns, such as running in a straight line. Instead, incorporate jukes and sudden changes in direction. Furthermore, constantly adjusting your camera to look behind you and to the sides will help you maintain full situational awareness, allowing you to spot approaching next bots from a greater distance and react more effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.